Okay, welcome to the Man and the Pan. I'm going to do something real simple for you, so I have to take off my glasses because I'm going to be making a kimchi soup. Can you imagine? Kimchi soup in a pan, because my friend Milton said, I want to see you make a soup in a pan, okay? So what you do, put the pan on here, put on some fire, put on some flame, and I put on just a little bit vegetable oil. All you need is pork hash, tofu. I got Oshio tofu, all local, and I got Honda kimchi. I got half pork hash in here, right? You gotta cook the pork hash first, okay? All the thing is cooking time. Instead of waiting, I'll get my tofu. I'll cut them into small blocks, just like this. Cut them in small blocks. See? The tofu, just about this one side. Then, I got some Honda kimchi. Anytime you get leftover kimchi, this is a go-to dish that you can make, okay? I just chop a little smaller. Okay, it's just about done. Put about 2 cups of water, and I put on my bouillon cube right inside here. Put in the kimchi, right? With the juices. Just like that. I hold off the tofu, I put the tofu in last. And then the flavor from the kimchi is just gonna stir right inside. You can even add in some juice if you want. Okay, when soup starts to boil like this, you can see the cabbage rising up. Then you add in your tofu. Oh boy, you can smell them already. Okay, yeah, let me eat some. So good. Oh, the soup, the pork hash, the kimchi, the tofu, man, it goes together so well, just like a marriage. Again, we see you next time for the Man and the Pan. Aloha.